I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Capsule CRM. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API URL, go to Capsule CRM Dashboard. Click Profile Name on the top right corner. Now click Account and Plan. Now, navigate the account setting and copy the site address. Paste it here. To get API key, click on Capsule CRM API token. Click on Generate First API key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Enable all scope of this token, click Generate Token. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the action. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to Capsule CRM Dashboard and click People and Organization. Here is the data that came into Capsule CRM through the integration. Thanks for watching.